Imagine you want to know how tall this mango tree is, but you cannot climb it. With just an angle and one distance, trigonometry lets you calculate the height. Let's learn how. Trigonometric ratios are special formulas that link an angle in a right-angled triangle to the lengths of its sides. They help us find unknown sides when we know an angle and one side. First, learn the three side names. The hypotenuse is the longest side, opposite the right angle. The opposite side faces the angle. The adjacent side sits next to the angle. Here are the three ratios. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Remember the shortcut, SOH. Example 1. A ladder leans against a wall making 35 degrees with the ground. The ladder is 10 centimeters long. Find the height x on the wall. We know the hypotenuse and want the opposite, so use sine. Sin 35 equals x over 10. Multiply both sides by 10. X equals 10 times 0.5736, which gives 5.74 centimeters. Example 2, slightly harder. A football pitch has a ramp at 50 degrees. The base along the ground is 8 meters. Find the length y of the ramp, which is the hypotenuse. We know adjacent and want hypotenuse, so use cosine. Cos 50 equals 8 over y. Rearrange. Y equals 8 divided by cos 50. That gives 8 divided by 0.6428, which is 12.45 meters. Common mistake. Many students pick the wrong ratio. They use sine when they should use cosine. Always label opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse first, then choose the matching ratio. Memory aid. Some old horses can always hear their owners approach. That spells SOH toto. 3 steps. Label the sides, pick the ratio, then solve for the unknown. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons just like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes, exercises, and past paper solutions. See you in the next video.